In this video we are going to see how this loader is created, and this is responsive as well. And to follow along, I'll leave the source code in the description. Now this is created with help of HTML CSS, and I'm just going to explain you. I'm not going to create it. So the files we required are HTML and one HTML and one CSS file. So let me open it in my Visual Studio. So fine. Now we have a style sheet and we have a bootstrap loaded, and we have a div which has an id. So this is the container which has our loader. So it will take the full screen with a transparent background, and even if you write below, it will be displayed behind our screen. So this screen is simply the model parent fixed. I have given the id as model parent fixed. So if you refresh it, you can see it's behind this loader main screen. Now let's get into the loader. So our loader, to position it on the center, I have used position absolute and I have calculated the top left, and this 50 pixel is the width, half of the height and width. If you don't add the half of the height and width, you'll see it won't be perfectly center. Fine. Now it's a square div, 100 with 100 and height 100. With the help of border radius 50%, it is circle. If you remove the border radius, it would be a square. And this pin is the animation which will rotate the div 0 degree to 360 degree. And below that we have a loader. We have a text which says loading, please wait. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.